I object. Hi, I'm Darren Findling of the Probate Pro, and we're going to cover a particular form that the court in Kent County has created to allow it to be easier to file an objection to something that is being requested of the court. So, for example, somebody has filed a petition for guardianship, and somebody wants to object. Rather than handwriting the objection, the probate court has created this particular form in Kent County to allow you to very succinctly identify what your objection is. Now, that doesn't mean you can't write a more extensive writing with additional papers or pages to explain or identify your specific objections. But this just simply makes it easier to put forth your objection to the court. Now, this objection form doesn't have any particular limitation. It can be used anytime somebody is objecting to something that is being brought forth before the court in the form of a petition. So, for example, a petition for guardianship, petition for probate, or other documents that are being requested to the court, you can file an objection. In the top left corner, you'll see that it is a Kent County probate court specific form. So we're really suggesting you don't use this in other courts because it may not be accepted for filing. In the top right corner would be the case number or file number. And then, of course, in the matter of is the estate of. So, for example, the estate of John Doe, or if somebody has died, or a guardianship or conservatorship, you'd put that person's name there. The number 1 paragraph says, I'm interested in the matter of, or in the matter as. So you identify how you're related to the matter. Are you the person being sought guardianship over? Are you an interested person or party within the probate proceeding? Are you the mother, the father, the guardian, the fiduciary? Whatever it may be, you identify your relationship to the matter in paragraph 1. Paragraph 2 identifies whether there are any interested parties that are different than what was set forth in the original petition. So, for example, if somebody's address or name were incorrect on the original petition, this is the spot to correct. And then section 3 is really the crux of this document. It allows you to identify the reasons that you are objecting to the petition. Now, there's not a lot of space. There's about an inch of space. You, of course, can use multiple pages to help explain to the court the basis for the objection. And then the paragraph 4 is what you're requesting. So you may be objecting, but the court's also going to want to know what you're actually requesting the court to do. So, for example, maybe it's a petition for guardianship and you're objecting to it. You would say, I request that the guardianship petition be denied, or I request that the guardian petition be denied and that Jane Smith be appointed as the guardian. Those are some examples. Now, again, the request spot is quite small there. You can expound upon it if you so choose. Now, we really urge you to work with a skilled, competent probate lawyer to be able to appropriately express your objection to the court. It's not intuitive or always easy to know the language. Lawyers, of course, have gone through extensive training in law school to be able to understand the court rules, as well as the rules of evidence and the statutes, to be able to express the objection to the court. And generally speaking, you have a better chance of communicating these issues to the court if you've got a lawyer to be working with. In the bottom section, you identify if there's an attorney involved, and then the objector or objectants, in this particular case, signature. That's the use of the word they use, objectant. That's the person that is objecting. And then, of course, their respective addresses. And then this document would get filed with the court within the case number that you are filing the objection. At the Probate Pro, we are passionate about everything probate. If you have questions about this particular form or any probate-related issue, visit us at theprobatepro.com or call us at 1-833-PROBATE.